Well, the shots better be worthwhile.
Can we make an angel?
Yeah. Go. Are you making a snowman or what?
Yes.
How big of a snowman are you going to be making?
It's going to be huge.
Hi, PJ. Throw a snowball at your dad so I can get it on camera.
No can do.
Why not?
Paul, can you help me?
Yep. Hold on.
Make your angel. Just lay back. We'll stay stuck. Just lay back and do it.
Oh, this is
Stay
good.
back. Go help her make her angel.
There you go. Kick, kick, kick.
That's right where I put my angel. Actually, it's right there.
Lay your head back.
Ah!
Ah, butthead.
What are y'all doing?
Making a snowman.
That thing is huge.
We're almost done. We need eyes. And that means it's
Did you build that all by yourself?
yes. We all
Yes.
did it all by ourselves.
Oh, yeah? I bet Paul didn't help at all, did he?
Look, it's on my finger.
Yeah, Caitlin and PJ lifted this middle ball.
85-minute distance.
They did the little one?
No, they lifted this big one.
Oh, I heard that my dad had to get out there.
That was not true.
That's what I heard.
It did it.
That thing is